Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video we are again going to do this topic, Heron's formula, its revision. See, in previous video I told you the formulas and I told you some many more things which were important from this chapter. And today we will do the questions and their solutions in this chapter. So let's come to our first question. See, in this question we have to find area of this figure. If you see from your normalized, then you will see that it's a figure, there is no area of this quadrilateral. But if you use your mind, so you can see, I'll be using this red marker to denote this. We can join this line from this. We can join these 2 points so that it forms two triangles. Okay, see, sorry, two triangles are formed. This is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, I'll write here. Yes, by Pythagoras, I'll not write the word theorem. Okay, we can write that. I'll take this x square equal to 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, 169, x equal to 13. Okay, you know the Pythagoras theorem, what it is. So it won't be x, now it will be 13. Okay, now we have found it is 13. So we know the area of a triangle is, right angle triangle is half into base into height. So I'll let it figure 1, this figure 2. Okay, area of 1 will be half into 12 into 5, which is 6 into 5, hence 30 meter square. Okay, it's our area. Now we have to find the area of this figure and add both of them. So we will use Heron's formula over here. Okay, which is 14 square, no, 14 plus 15 plus 13, 13, 14, 15. What is it? It is 14 3s are 42. 42. And S will be S equal to 21. We know, it will be meter also. Yes, you know S is semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, so if you see over here, perimeter we have found out, which is 13 plus 14 plus 15, hence 42 meters. And to find S, we will divide it by 2, which will be 42 divided by 1, which is 21. Okay, now we know what is Heron's formula. Heron's formula is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole root. Okay, so I will have to sit down. Yes, S into, what is S minus A? 21 minus 13, hence 8. 21 minus 14, 7. 21 minus 15, 6. Okay, so 21, 7 into 3, and 6 can be written as 3 into 2 and 7 is over here, 7. We can again write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. Okay. Now if you see it, so it is in root. Okay, this root. So as you all know, we can write it as 7 square into 3 square into 2 square into 2 square. 7 square into 3 square into 2 square into 2 square, which is under root. So root get cancelled. This and this also get cancelled. 7 into 3 into 2 into 2. 7 3 the 21, 2 the 42, 2 the 84. 84 meter square. Now total area equal to 30 plus what is this? We have found out that this is 30 meter square and this is 84 meter square. 84, which is 114 meter square. Okay, this will be our final area of this. Now we will come to our next question, which will be a little bit same as this question. So friends, in our next question, we have to again find area of this figure. Again use the same concept as before. So see, we will again make the line, which is hence erased by my hand. Yes, so this is our line which I have made to make this quadrilateral in two triangles. Okay, now see, this is 12, this is 16. So we know by Pythagoras, I'll not write like that by using Pythagoras and all. Okay, I won't write, as previous question I have told you that how we have to write it. Okay, so I'll just write length of this side 20. Yes, and just find the area of this triangle. Again naming figure 1, figure 2. Area of figure 1. Okay, this is area of figure 1, which is a right angle triangle. So we will write half into base into height. Half into 12 into 16. 2 8 the 16. 12 8 the what? 12 8 the 96. 12 into 8, 96 meter square. Okay, it is meter and meter, again meter. Okay, so area of figure 1 is 96 meter square. Now if you see it like correctly, so it is 26 and 26, which is an isosceles triangle. So 26 is x, and we know the formula, area of isosceles triangle, I have told you, which is half a root x square minus a square divided by 4. A we know, a is this different side, which is 20. half into 20 root x square is 26 square, 26 square minus a square is 20 square by 4. Wait for next step. Yes, 26 square I know, which is 676. 10 root 676. Yes, 20 square is 400. 400 divided by 4 is 100. So 676 minus 100, which is 10 root 576. Root 576. 576 is the square of 24. So 10 into 24. 240 meter square. So now what will we do? We will find out total area. Total 240 plus 96. 336 meter square. It is not understandable, but still let me write it. 336 meter square is our total area of this quadrilateral. Okay, now we will come to our next question. Friends, in our next question, which is the same as this one, we have to again find the area. Okay, so this is 25 centimeter. This is 24 centimeter. This is 24 meter. This is 7 meter. So it will be 25 meter. I've written centimeter by mistake. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so this will be 25. Now again do the same steps. Half into 24 into 7, which is 12 into 7. 12 sevens are 84 meter square. Our area has come, which is 84 meter square of figure 1. Now for figure 2. Figure 2 will be the same formula. 36 plus 29 plus 25, which will be 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 90. 90 meter. S will be 90 by 2 equal to 45 meter. S is 45 meters. Now area (45) into 45 minus 36, it is 9. 45 minus 25, it is 20. And 45 minus 29, it is 16. So 9 into 16 into 20 into 45 whole root, which is, oh wait, I will have to solve it. We can write it as 5 into 9 into 5 into 4, 5 into 4, 5 into 9, into 9 into 2 into 2 into 4. Okay? How? See, 45 is 5 into 9. Okay? And 9 is, I forgot to write 9. I'll write it here. 9 I will write as it is. Now make the pairs. 9 and 9, 5 and 5, 4 and 4, 2 and 2. Oh, I have written the 9. 9 and 4 and 4, 2 and 2, 9 and 9, 5 and 5. So, 1 9 will get cut, 1 5, 1 2 and 1 4 will get cut. As root will also get cut. Which means 5 into 4 into 2 into 9. What is it? 5 for the 20, 20 to the 29 the 180, 180 to the 360. Or 9 5 the 45, 45 to the 90, 90 for the 360 meter square. So now our total area will be 360 plus 45. Hence 405 meter square. Total area will be 405 meter square. In this video, we will do only this much. But in next video, we will further continue with our questions. Okay? Bye bye. See you in next class.